Now that dollar is rapidly increasing, the best time to start earning in dollars was yesterday. The next best time is now. It took me 4 years to learn what I'm about to teach you in this mentorship, but I'll teach you in just 30 days and you'll make your first $1,000 in less than 90 days. The fastest way to succeed in any online business is by copying exactly what successful people do and applying it appropriately. Welcome to the world of Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing with endless possibilities of earning in dollars. I know that many self-acclaimed gurus would have misled you and told you that you can start publishing books on Amazon even if you are not a writer. But unfortunately, that's a big fat lie, because trust me, if you believe that, they just want to collect your money. In this Amazon KDP Lifetime Mentorship, I want to hold you by the hand and teach you how to research best-selling topics, generate unique content, write and format quality books, design astonishing book covers, curate attention-grabbing descriptions, get SEO-rich keywords, upload the books, and start earning at least $1,000 in 30 days. We started this Lifetime Mentorship 6 months ago, but I'm proud to tell you that in less than 6 months, we have made over 1,000 millionaires. So if you want to start your path to financial freedom and live the life that you desire, subscribing to this Amazon KDP Lifetime Mentorship by Legal Naira today is the best investment you can give yourself. Some of the key models you will learn are evergreen, where you have relationship, health and fitness, or cookbooks, or even business and money. Trend models, where you have trending topics that people are looking for to get right information. Workbooks or hybrids. Low content books, where you have puzzle books, coloring books, or a special type of book that I just discovered and it's only open to the mentorship subscribers. You also learn how to run sponsored ads on Amazon KDP to reach a wide range of audience and increase your chances of making a lot of sales. You would also learn some free promotional methods that can guarantee sales in the long run. You are also going to learn external marketing and 10 marketing elements that I secretly kept for only these mentorship subscribers. So, do you want to change your financial status in the next 30 days? Click the link around this video to subscribe to this KDP Lifetime Mentorship by Legal Naira now. I'll see you in class. Yes, there is a money back guarantee. If you do all I tell you to do, follow my steps and apply my secrets, and you don't make money online, you get 100% refund.
All these are results from my fresh students, people that joined just less than a month or two ago, and you see that they are already making progress. Some are making $100, $200, $300, $400. Some have even made up to $1,000 or even more. As you can see, $1,005. The good thing is that this is a lifetime mentorship. We keep updating the videos. Any new updates, trick, tips that comes out, we update it with a new video. We have a discussion group open 24/7 to attend to questions and issues. With a 100% money back guarantee, I'll advise you to click the link in the description to join now.